Comment?
Gusto ko lang.
March 20, 2003, the close of probation for winds release. Now, since we apply, this is day and hour. We add the 4 AM, no?
Day,
Then,
at saka month.
this is the day and hour. This is the month and the year. 2002 is year.
May month din po yun dun.
Here, but this
May
is
year
not,
din.
but this is not the year. This is not the month that is asking for, because according to the prophecy, only the day and the hour. You don't know. It means this is not the month he is talking, but the month that is included in the year. Remember, there are 4 datings we need are day, month, and year.
Wala
Now, according to the record, only the day and the hour, no man knoweth.
But month
It
and
means
year,
the month and the year,
we
you have
know.
to know it. So, the month is not applicable here. The application of the month is here. So, this is, you cannot complete your 6,000 years without the month. Okay? You cannot complete your 6,000 years without the month. Okay, so this is the day, this is the month and the year. So your day and hour is applicable on the close of probation.
Kuya Tan, pero mahirap pa rin unawain kapag kayo pagsipa-separate.
In that discussion, we have to know what is this generation will not pass. So that we have to detect what is the problem, because 36 needs only day and hour. So what is includes in this generation will not pass. So we have to discuss again that prophecy. Okay? So that is simple as that. So now, this is the sequence strategy that we should follow. We don't apply the day and the hour here in this condition. The day and the hour that has happened here is not applicable on this point. But see the condition. We apply
The days of Noah.
here is the application now.
7 days.
As the days of Noah. Okay? In the prophecy, as the days of Noah, before the flood come, there is 7 days. So, for me, I marvel, why is it that this is 7 days, while this is the day there? So, it means that 7 days, this is days. According to the prophecy, this should be 7 years. So, I have to wait 7 years. But the principle is, it involves days. It involves days. I don't know if this is an accidentally fulfilled. Why? You see, March 20, 2010, this is 8th day. Now, when it comes to 8th day, what you are waiting for? Not a day. You are waiting only for an hour. See? That is not an accidentally. That is an accident. Why is it that this is day and this is an hour? You have to wait here an hour.
Hour na lang.
You have just to wait an hour, because if you wait here day, you are wrong. Because when you wait a day, that is it composed of 1 year. But an hour, it means that it will not finish the day. Any time of the day. Don't wait until it finishes, because if you bring it here to the end of one day, you are wrong in your study, because it means that it will happen here, and that is 9th day. So you are wrong. So you have to wait here. If it reaches in this condition, you forget all of this.
Yeah, because lang dun, Kuya Tan, pwede naman na kahit sabihin pa natin na doon sa dulo ng ika-8
7th day finish,
The rain came.
The rain came, and I don't know if person.
Hindi naman po natin basta-bastang makita diyan na
I don't know, Sister
naman
Gigi.
po kasi kay Noe, ay pinapakita lang diyan.
Is in this study, I myself wonder how God make this program, as it really gives us the problem. If you are not wise, you will never study and follow this principle. But there is no problem. I think there is no problem if you follow the principle. So it does not destroy, this principle does not destroy here. Now, if we think about the 4 o'clock, or if we put it in a horizontal line, 4 o'clock actually, that is not 4 o'clock. In an horizontal. Because, I don't know if you have not heard it in the study of the 8th day. In the 8th day, Sister Gigi, you should remember that an hour is compared to 8th day composed of hours. But 8th day, this is 1 year. Okay? This is 1 year. So, 360 days. This is 1 year. Now, since this is 1 year, we know that in 1 year, when we compare it to an hour, this is 24 hours. Okay? 24 hours. So now, according to the record, this is the principle, Sister Gigi, no? We have to follow this. According to the Bible, in Mark 13, 33 to 36, what is the record saying? Watch ye therefore, for ye know not when the coming of the Lord is. It may be,
The master of the house coming.
and the master of the house coming. It may be at
Even.
even,
At even or
at
crowing,
even,
or at a
in the
crowing.
midnight, in the cock-crowing, or in the morning. That is the record, Sister Gigi. Now, this is how we compare it, Sister Gigi. Because this is evening or sunset. Then another one is midnight.
Kakrowing.
And then cock crowing, and then morning. This is when we talk of an hour. But when we talk of a year, a day as a year, even, you know what is the comparison of even in a year? Sister Gigi, even in a year is spring. This is applied, this is taken, the principle of this, Sister Gigi, is taken from the Great Controversy. Midnight cry. Did you remember midnight cry? Now, midnight, when we check in the writing of Sister White, midnight is summer. And I don't know, is that an accidentally taken? It is recorded that midnight is summer, according to the midnight cry, according to Sister White. And kakrowing, of course, what is the next season?
Morning.
That is autumn.
Oo nga.
And what is the second, the last season? That is winter. Okay, now, comes to the checking of time. Spring, there are 3 months. Summer, 3 months. Autumn, 3 months. Winter, 3 months. Equals 12 months.
1 year.
See? So, if we apply here, it was at midnight that Christ delivered, or God's people delivered his people. It was at midnight. Now,
Ang spring